So, uno, dos, tres.
Come visit you at La Leyenda. Come visit you at Leyenda.
Gracias. Ahora, uno, dos, tres.
Come visit you at La Leyenda.
No sé qué tú ves en mí, mi amor. Ya no dejes de mirarme, que ya me gusta quién soy. Contigo me siento en control. Eres el balance en este mundo, poco humor. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez. Y me enamoré a volverlo a ver.
Okay, we are about to go on a special tour of the Museo de Tabaco Dominicano. And I have my own actual special tour guide. And tell the people your name.
Hi, my name is Jaime.
All right, Johnny is going to actually help us walk through this museo and look at all the great tobacco of Dominica Republic. So,
They are right now. They are pouring the cigars.
okay.
The first process is like to put like the leaf, the leaf into the cigar.
Okay.
Then put the wrapper, and then the last process to make them like this.
Okay, so they're doing the wrapper.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So the guys do the filling.
No, same process.
Oh, it's the same process?
They work like they are partners. They work together.
Okay.
This is the first process.
Okay.
And then this one.
Okay, she does the wrapper.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha. They tag team. Filler.
She the wrapper.
Okay,
The
gotcha.
last process. And then she put like this.
Oh, she is
And it's-
great with
yeah.
it. ¿Cuántos años hacer cigarros?
Ellas.
Sí.
¿Cuánto tiempo tienen haciendo cigarros? Yo tengo 2 años. She has like 2 years.
Okay.
Yo 10. She's 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
They're doing a great job too. Awesome. Gracias. And this is all what's in this?
Esto es la. Oh my God, this one. Okay. This is like the mix, like the. We don't throw anything.
Okay.
We reuse this,
Okay.
and then we make like the second quality. We make cigars with second quality, half a leaf and half short leaf.
Oh, these going to be the second quality.
Yeah.
cigar.
We
Oh.
reuse them to make
Okay.
the second quality cigars.
Okay. Got you. Gracias. Gracias.
Okay. Here we have more people making the cigars, doing the same process that they are making outside.
I see.
Espera.
Awesome.
Luis. Luis, se llama Luis. Luis. ¿Quién te está llamando? Ven, que no es para mañana, hay un cliente. Ay, sí, sueño que
The heart. When you take the heart out, what do you do with the heart? You use it for second grade?
Use this, the leaf that is like the filler.
Okay.
We don't use the filler.
Okay.
Here we
Hola.
have-
Oh, hermosa.
She's feliz.
Otro hermosa. Gracias, gracias.
She used like she do the like the last process when the cigars are ready.
Mm-hmm.
She put in the boxes.
Oh, she boxes of them.
Yeah,
Put them in the box.
exactly.
En caja.
Exactly.
Okay. Hola.
And they put the both. They put the labels.
Sorry.
They put the labels, cellophane, and then they put in the boxes.
Okay.
Here we have. Here is where we keep them fresh.
Oh wow. Yeah, it is nice and
Yeah.
cool in here.
So here we have more cigars in different size, different like medium, strong, light,
Okay.
all the size.
So these are being prepared for that lady to box up.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. How
This is
how
like
far does
a
it go back?
humidity room. It's like a humidity room.
Most of these leaves are from Santiago. What region of Dominican Republic is the tobacco grown?
In Santiago.
Santiago?
Yeah, all the material we use to make the cigars, they are from the north.
The north. Okay.
Yeah. El Cibao.
Gracias, gracias. All right, that was a cool little tour of the factory and the museum, which they will have open in 2022, the later part. And let's head back over to the shop. Let's get some cigars. Let's check out some other brands they make, get some coffee, and chill with the ladies.
Las dos.
¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Julia.
Julia. ¿Y tú?
Laura.
Okay. Yo tengo YouTube canal. Me gusta videos para factorias de cigarros. Todos tabaco. Me gusta videos. To explain to me, what are you doing here?
Yes, we are taking out the heart of the leaf. And this is the binder.
Okay, that's the binder. Okay.
Yes, from here. Dominican binder.
No fillers or wrappers aquí, solo binders.
Maybe there, where he is done.
Okay. Okay. Oh, tú mararme?
Tiene tripa. So this is filler,
Okay.
and this one is wrapper. This one is from Connecticut.
Connecticut, USA, see?
Yes.
You know, I never knew that Connecticut had, like, when I heard Connecticut cigar, you know, I thought it was Connecticut, Dominica, Colombia,
Wrapper.
Nicaragua. It's Connecticut,
Peruvian.
USA. Peruvian, see?
Peruvian wrapper.
Peruvian.
From Africa.
Okay.
From Mexico.
In San Andreas, see?
Yes.
Gracias. Okay, this is Arturo Fuentes, Opus X. Okay, and 20 years age.
Yeah, one brand. Mom by mom.
Okay. All right, that sounds good. I'm just gonna get these two here.
Yeah.
And for how about cigars for women? Like,
Well, like flavors.
yeah, flavored. Do you have any cigars for women?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, ayúdame. Now those. In this size, and the smallest one.
Okay.
This is like different size. In this size we have vanilla, mint, chocolate, rum, and cherry. And in this size,
Chocolate, rum, and cherry,
yeah, and vanilla.
and vanilla. Okay.
Mint. In this size we have chocolate, rum, mint, cherry, and coffee.
Okay.
In Here we have vanilla, cognac, cherry, chocolate, without flavor, clavo dulce, amaretto.
Okay.
These are smaller. Handmade.
All
Burn of the
handmade.
house. This is made here. This is burn of the house.
All made in the factory just was at.
Yeah.
Cool, cool. All right, well, I'm going to buy my cigars and I'm gonna get off to the next spot. But definitely, if you are in Santo Domingo, you have to come by the factory and the actual shop, Leyenda,
La Leyenda.
Cigaros. Check them out. Tell them you saw them on Travel-O-Matic. Have a special price for you. They see it. All right, if they see it on here, special price for you. So, all right, appreciate it. I'm gone. I'll see you in the next video.